Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion Wiki versus database. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand when to leverage each for optimal organization. I'll show you how a wiki excels at unstructured knowledge sharing, while a database shines with structured data. By the end, you'll know exactly which tool to pick for your specific needs, whether it's for personal notes or complex project management. Notion wikis are fantastic for collaborative knowledge bases, like company handbooks or project documentation. They allow for rich text editing, easy linking between hundreds of pages, and deep nesting of information. Think of it as a flexible digital notebook where ideas flow freely. This structure is perfect for capturing meeting notes, brainstorming sessions, or any content that benefits from a less rigid format and easy navigation. Databases, on the other hand, are powerful for structured data and tracking. Imagine managing dozens of tasks, client relationships, or content calendars with precision. They offer properties like dates, tags, and checkboxes, along with various views such as tables, boards, and calendars. This allows for robust filtering, sorting, and relations between different datasets, making complex information manageable and actionable for any project. So, when should you use which? Choose a wiki for broad, unstructured information and collaborative documentation. Opt for a database when you need to track, filter, and manage structured data with specific properties. The real magic often happens when you combine them, embedding databases within wiki pages for a comprehensive system. This approach allows you to harness the strengths of both, creating a truly powerful and organized workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.